Welcome to BizGuide Vegas, your one-stop guide to doing business in Las Vegas. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a Facebook page for your Las Vegas business. Facebook is one of the leading social media platforms that is widely used as a strategic marketing tool by companies and entrepreneurs to establish their brand and promote their business due to the number of users on the platform. In the United States alone, Facebook has over 190 million users, and the best part is it is totally free. So the first step in creating a Facebook page for your Las Vegas business is to go to their website and type www.facebook.com/business. So you can open up a new browser and type in www.facebook.com/business. And from here, located on the upper right hand side, click on this button, and on the drop down menu, click on Create a Page. The second step requires for you to log into your personal Facebook account using your email or mobile phone number. So from here, you can choose the option to create a page for business or brand and community or public figure. Note that you're required to log into your personal Facebook account so you can appoint yourself as an administrator and log in using your username and password. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to create a business or a brand. So assuming that you have already logged in with your email or mobile phone number, you may go ahead and click on the option to get started. The third step requires for you to input your business details. The fourth step requires for you to upload your profile and cover photo. So from here, you may click on Upload a Profile Picture, choose your photo, click Open, and choose a cover photo. If you don't have one, you may click on the option to skip. The fifth step is for you to invite friends to like your page. So from here, all you have to do is scroll down a little bit, and located on the lower right hand side, you will find your list of friends, and there are buttons that you can readily click to send invites. The sixth step in creating a Facebook page to promote your business requires for you to add a call to action button. At the home page, click on Add a Button and select the appropriate option that you wish to add. Whether it's to book with you, simply click on this radio button, or if you choose a call to action to contact you, simply select your preferred option. And if you'd like to learn more about your business, simply click on this option here. You may even click on this option to learn more for your followers. You could even choose the option to shop with you and to download your app or play your game. The seventh step is for you to complete the About section. Completing the About section of your page is important for your customers to know more about your business. As a matter of fact, your Facebook business page may be ranked higher than your website due to Facebook's domain authority. To complete the About section of your Facebook page, on the left-hand side, click on this link, and on the drop-down menu, among the options, click About, and from here you may fill out the necessary information that is missing and important for your business. The last step is for you to create your first post. By posting engaging content, you will gain followers and loyal customers, paving the way for your business to have a wider audience. The following are some of the ideas that you can use in creating your content. Creating a post on your homepage is easy. As simple as posting anything, just like a Facebook status. So what you can do is, let's say your website is BizGuide Vegas. And let's just say that you would like to post one of the articles, such as how to file a DBA in Nevada. So what you can do is copy the URL, go to your Facebook page, And just like posting a status, you could post this. And you can just add anything that complements your post. Thank you for watching our BizGuide video on how to create a Facebook page for your Las Vegas business. Should you have any questions about how to start your business in the state of Nevada, do type them in the comments below. If you like what you're learning from our channel, click like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content from BizGuide Vegas.